Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW guys. It could be any BMW. If you want to know when to replace brake pads, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. How to inspect if you need to replace brake pads, the correct way to do that. All that guys will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay tuned in. We'll cover very helpful information today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from guys, and you can save a ton of money. So what we have specifically here guys, this is a BMW X4. Practically it's built on the X3 platform, and both of the X3, X4 are built on 3 and 4 series platform. So if you look at the BMW, that's it right here. Now I noticed the last couple of days when I hit the brakes really hard. The other day I was trying to make a green light and accidentally turned red. I hit the brakes, not to rear end the person in front of me, and I heard a noise from the brakes. And what I did, I looked at the thickness of the brake pads through the wheel. Sometimes you can see through the wheel how thick they are, and I noticed that the brake pads are getting thin. So we decided to make a video when to replace them, what are good brake pads and all that stuff. Now if you're on the market for a good brake pad, check out guys the link in the description of the video below. We'll be installing the carbon fiber ceramic performance pads, low brake dust, extremely good braking power as well. Now when you need to replace them, never inspect brake pads just looking through the wheel, okay? Because you can mostly see only one side guys, you cannot see both pads. For instance, if I go to this side now on the passenger side and we still have the wheel installed, check this thing out. I can check one pad thickness, I cannot check the other one on the back. It's practically not visible at all. But if we come towards this side and you remove your wheel, you will be able to inspect the one on the outside, how thick it is, and then looking through the middle here guys, you will be able to inspect the thickness of the inside pad as well. And what we have specifically here, this is our inside pad. Now check that thing guys, pads, okay, will need to be replaced before they start making grinding noise. So it's good to inspect them guys when you do, let's say, an oil change or something like that, so you know how much you have left. But if you look right here, we have one special sensor on most BMWs. This is known as a brake pad wear sensor. If you guys wait for that sensor to be activated, what will happen? It will get warm to the point that it will contact the rotor. This is the sensor right here guys. Okay, let me install that spring on it actually, the one that holds here. Okay, give me a second. And that sensor guys, you can see how thick it is. It barely started contacting the rotor, you can see right here. But if you wait, it will wear out. It will activate the brake light that you need to replace the brake pads, and then you will need to buy a new sensor when you replace it. So always guys, remove the wheel and inspect the thickness of the pads. The minimum thickness is, okay, when the sensor guys is about to touch, okay, the disc rotor right here, and in our case it just touched it. Okay, I'm trying to focus there so you can see how it touched it. If you see that brake pad wear sensor touch the disc rotor, it's done guys. If you hear grinding noises, squealing noises, it's very likely you have brake pads that need to be replaced. Make sure that the outer brake pad is good thickness as well, because sometimes it could be more worn out. It really depends, one of them will wear out more usually. Another thing, if brake pads were used really heavily, like track days, racing, anything like that, if they're old from time, they can be burned guys, they can be hard, and they can actually prevent stopping really good as well. So you need to replace them even if they're new. So what I usually do, After a few track days I replace them. On a regular car I usually, guys, replace them when I put a new set of tires. Okay, so I know that I have good brakes. We'll have videos how to replace them. Check them out. Complete videos on the channel. How to compress brake caliper, piston as well. There is a trick how to do that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.